Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and environment. Log into the Pubg account you want trusted, then immediately link a social or platform account if you haven't already. This creates a persistent ID. Once done, update the game to the latest version and make sure your device clock is set to automatic. Pubg checks timestamps. Also, connect to a stable network. Intermittent connections create authentication failures. These steps set the stage for the in-game trust process. Next, go into Pubg account or security settings and choose device management or verification options. You will see prompts to send a code to your linked email or phone. Request the code, then enter it exactly as shown. This proves ownership. Once verified, enable two-factor or device approval so the game can mark this device as trusted. Make sure to approve any login notifications promptly. This detailed verification confirms why the game will recognize. Finish by confirming the trusted device status in account settings. You should see an updated device list. If the flag doesn't appear, clear the app cache or reinstall the game. This forces a clean re-authentication. Make sure you keep using the same linked account and avoid constantly changing devices because repeated switches can reset trust. If things still fail, gather your device ID, login timestamps, and proof of account ownership. Then contact Pubg support. They can manually validate and restore trusted status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.